Hi guys, it's Jordan from Premium Motorhomes, and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Knaus Sun I 700 leg. Now this motorhome was priced up at over £160,000. It's now actually reduced down to £126,950. Let me show you the things I really do love about this motorhome. Starting off with the front face of the motorhome, it has such a modern style to it with the LED lights, the chrome trimming and the carbon feel to the motorhome. Showing you the side of the motorhome, you've got this lovely 5-metre awning, again with an LED strip just above. Underfloor storage with it having a double flooring, and you've got this gigantic rear garage where you can put your bikes, any extra bits for the external, as well as keeping some bits and bobs in the garage for you as well. Let's go on the inside. Now we're inside the motorhome, you can see the lovely contrasting colours with the dark wood and the light leather interior. Again, I love the features of the lighting inside this motorhome, and again it just looks very modern inside. Not only that, you've got 4 seat belted seats with a drop down bed just above my head. You've also got this massive TV just there, where again gets tucked away when you're travelling. Now we're in the kitchen, and it's got everything you expect from a luxury motorhome. You've got 3 gas burner rings just there, a nice deep sink, and again one thing I do love about this motorhome is you've got a nice little bin just there. You pop that down and you've got even more usable worktop space. Massive fridge and freezer and an oven and grill just above it. Now we're in the bedroom area, and again I can't explain to you enough how usable this motorhome is. Ready to go, there's no making beds, you've got a separate washroom just in here to your shower room just there, storage just above my head, and also hanging spaces just below here. Good thing about this one as well, we're actually going to have 2 of these motorhomes on our rental fleet come March. So if you are on the fence with motorhoming, please do give us a call. We'll have available dates online, and again, make an inquiry and we'll be more than happy to help. This one in particular, however, is for sale. So just mention again, pricing is £126,950. Please do give us a call and we'll be here to help. Thanks for watching, guys.